usually try to get there right before the sun's up because that's when we can start our morning bird surveys. And the thing I always tell people is that I get to watch the world wake up, and there's nothing that compares to that. Like, just to see the birds come alive and the anurans calling, and yeah, that's my favorite part about it. For bird surveys in the coastal wetlands, we are looking at wetlands all along the Great Lakes, and we're just getting a pulse on what species are there from year to year. And so if we see a change in the species, then we see a change in the health of the wetland, and that's just the whole point, is to get the pulse of the wetland health. We all have this huge collective data system, and all that data is immediately available for managers in the area, which makes it pretty unique to this project. But a big part of this project is to have this data immediately available for managers that are managing the wetlands and managing the wildlife in those wetlands to know immediately, like, oh, has things changed since last year? Do we need to adjust what we're doing? Someone who's always thought it'd be really great to work for the DNR, the Department of Natural Resources, or the Nature Conservancy, and just thinking that was such a far-fetched idea, being able to work one-on-one with wildlife biologists and working with federal biologists, it just makes it seem more realistic and more attainable. And it lets me know more of what this job is actually about and the big picture, but just hearing it from the mouths of wildlife biologists, they're out doing it every day, is like, okay, there's so much more going on here that I'm learning about, and that's pretty cool.